Hey guys, this is my first video ever. I wanted to put up a video of taking out door handles on a 2009 Wrangler because there's none on the internet. I'm going to change these, the original, to these that we just picked up from Royal Hooks. Basically, this is all you're going to need. 10mm, 8mm, a screwdriver, and a torque. And a knife to cut out the hole. Okay, so basically this is what you're going to do. You take these screws out here. Then you're going to take the torque out top. Okay. You take this little rubber out here. When it decides to come out. Okay. Now you're gonna pop these panels off. Gotta use one of these. Pry it off. Pop the little clips underneath. Of course, they're stubborn. Now you pull up on the window channel. Okay. This here, push, comes off. Disconnect these. Take the clip, pull it around, push with your finger, push with your finger. Comes off. Now you pull these out. Take your 10mm. Take these silver bolts off. I take the window motor off because it makes it easier. The window motor has a clip. You have to push. Take this out. Okay. Take this clip. You push this. Push this. Pull out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you have to pop these out too. These little clips down here. Take your tool, pull it out. Wire. There you go. Now you just loosen up the wire. You don't have to take that one out. Okay. This is the hard part. You have to pull these all apart. All unstuck because there's a seal that goes on here. Okay. Almost. Now there's two little, there's little clips here. You turn this, I do it because it makes it easier. Turn this, push this one up. Now your motor should fall in. See, 1, 2, 3, it's in there. Now they have these access holes that aren't cut out. You need to do that to disconnect the window up here. So what I do, I just go in with a knife, a regular knife. It's pretty easy. Down. this, go in, push like that, and take this out. Same thing on the other side. Yeah, kind of make sure that your window is up when you do this so you don't hit your window. Let's see, there you go. Now, you have to turn the truck on, or you can take this, turn your window motor so it comes down. Grab the window on both sides, like this, and it'll come down. Now, you push it down till there's the clip inside here. You'll see inside there's a little white tab that you actually have to push. That little white tab and this little white tab on this side will make the window free. Okay, now here's the little clip. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it in there? Okay, well you push in on the little clip and that'll disengage the window. Now, should be able to grab the window. Nope. Nope, didn't work. Of course this one's not going to work. Nope. Okay. Sorry. Takes a little finessing. Nope.
Go.
Okay, so just push that in. Now the window goes up. Take your two hands, grab the window, push it in up on the channel. For your door part, this is the fun part. You have to finagle it. In here, there's two little clips that the door actually holds on to. Well, this door plate. See this here? And this one here. See them right there? So what you do is pop the panel up. You have to kind of wiggle it and maneuver it. Bring it to the inside of the truck, towards the inside of the truck. Maybe you could try this. The bottom one's catching. Okay, let's see. You're still caught. Okay, now that I pop these out, the motor, this, pull that around, and now you can get to your bolt that's here and your bolt that's here for your handles. Okay. What I do is I switch over to the 8mm with a little extension. Go in there. Oop, it fell.
Make sure it doesn't do that.
That's okay. Okay, because you can get it. Okay, now go over to this one. Can you see it here? Right there, this one here. Grab that. Want to hold the handle for me?
And,
There you go. And then your handle's out.